How to edit videos on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the iMovie application on your phone. On this page, you can view all your projects on iMovie. Tap on the movie option at the bottom. You can make a movie from scratch using media from photos and your camera. Once you're here, select the video you want to edit and then tap on Create Movie below. You can now edit this videos using the edit options below. For example, you can split, detach, or even duplicate the video. You can also add music, texts, or filters and effects if you want. After that, go to the left corner and tap on the plus icon as shown. Then, go to Audio. Here, go to Soundtracks. From here, you can view and select the soundtrack that you want to add to your video. Tap on the plus icon beside that track. After that, tap on Done at the top left corner. Then, go to the bottom panel and tap on the Share icon. Select Save or Share Video to download this video, send to family and friends, or post on social media. Following these steps, you can easily edit videos on iPhone.